In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your screen, sleep, and hibernate timeouts on Windows. These settings control how long your computer waits before turning off the display, going to sleep, or hibernating to save power. Adjusting them can help you conserve battery on a laptop, reduce energy use on a desktop, and keep your work safe when you step away. First, open the Settings app. You can do this by clicking the Start button and selecting the gear icon, or by using the quick shortcut on your keyboard to open Settings directly. Once Settings is open, look for the System section. It's usually at the top of the list and includes options for display, sound, notifications, and more. Click System to open it. Inside System, select Power. Depending on your Windows version, this may be labeled Power or Power and Battery. This area manages how your device uses energy. Here's where you'll find the option we want. Click the section labeled Screen, Sleep, and Hibernate Timeouts. On some devices, you might see Screen and Sleep grouped together and Hibernate listed in the same area. Either way, this is where you adjust how many minutes your PC waits before each action. Now, set the minutes for each option based on how you use your computer. For the screen timeout, choose a shorter time if you want the display to turn off quickly when idle, which saves power and protects your screen. For sleep, pick a time that balances convenience with battery life. Sleep reduces power use while letting you resume work quickly. For hibernate, choose a longer interval if you want the system to fully power down while preserving your session, which is ideal for extended breaks. If you prefer your PC to stay on, you can set any of these to never. Just remember that never means the computer or display won't automatically turn off, which can increase power consumption and, on portable devices, drain the battery faster. If you don't see a hibernate option, it may be disabled by default on your device, and that's okay. Just set the screen and sleep timeouts that work for you. Your selections usually save automatically as soon as you choose them, so there's no separate Save button to click. From now on, your PC will follow the timeouts you set. If you're on a laptop, consider using shorter times when running on battery and longer times when plugged in. And for security, it's a good idea to have your device require a sign-in after the screen turns off or the PC sleeps. That's it. You've successfully adjusted your screen, sleep, and hibernate timeouts to match your workflow.